Meaning of hesitancy.
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 Hesitancy. Hesitancy refers to a reluctance or lack of confidence in making a decision or taking action. It is a state of mind in which an individual feels uncertain, doubtful, or indecisive about what to do. This can be due to a variety of reasons such as fear, self-doubt, lack of information, or conflicting priorities. Hesitancy can lead to missed opportunities, delay in achieving goals, and reduced effectiveness. Overcoming hesitancy requires building confidence, gathering relevant information, weighing the pros and cons, setting priorities, and taking action despite uncertainty or fear.